Alright, today we're going to look at evaluating logarithmic expressions, but first we're going to check out how logs relate to exponential functions, because we know how to solve those, and once we know that, then we can look at solving logs, because logs are just exponential functions. So here is an example of a log. So we have log, we would read this as log base 3 of 27 equals y. And you see when you put that in an exponential function, it is 3 to the y power equals 27. So 3 to the y equals 27. So we start at the base here, and that becomes our base of our exponential equation. We pick up our exponent, and we end at that 27. So if I wrote this in exponential form, it would be 3 to the second power equals 9. So I start at my base, pick up my exponent, and end with the 9 there. So we'll look at one more, and then we will look at writing exponential form into log form. So I have log base 10 of 1/100th equals -2. So 10 to the negative second power equals 1/100th. And then next we're going to look at putting exponential into log. So we want to make sure we can do both ways so that we can use them in both forms. So here I have 5 to the third equals 125. So this in log form would be log base 5. So again, we start at our base of 125 equals 3. So we'll look at one more, and then we will go into evaluating logs. So we have 27 to the 1/3 equals 3. So again, we start at the base, pick up our exponent, pick up our number, and end at our exponent. So log base 27 3 equals 1/3. So the reason we wanted to look at how we can write in exponential form is so we can solve a logarithmic equation. And it's really important that we know how to do this so that we can do it when we look at adding, subtracting, multiplying, and so forth on logs. So our calculators can do this, but we want to make sure we know how to do it in logarithmic form. So we have log base 3 of 243, and we're evaluating it. So we're trying to find what this equals. So I'm going to put it equal to x because we don't know what it equals. So that's our unknown. And we're going to write it in exponential form. So 3 to the x equals 245, or 243. So 3 to the x equals 243, and then we're going to solve it like an exponential equation. Remember, if our bases are equal, then our exponents are equal. So 243 is 3 to the 5th power. So when our bases are equal, then our exponents are equal, so x equals 5. We'll look at one more, and then I will let you go ahead and work through your problems. So here we have log 10, base 10 of 1,000. So we would put that equal to x, because that's what we're solving for. 10 to the x equals 1,000. Is the exponential form, and then 1,000 is 10 to the third. So then our bases are equal. So x equals 3. So once it's in exponential form, it's all those rules. Remember, like with fractions, make those a negative exponent and so forth.